Starshipit's manifest functionality ensures seamless fulfillment of orders by sending order information to your couriers directly from your account. In this tutorial, we'll run through how to manifest printed orders and finalise a shipment. When you print a label in Starshipit, the order moves to the Printed tab. Manifesting sends the order details to your courier services for billing. Manifesting your orders is an important step, as failure to do so can result in fees from your courier. To manifest selected orders, go to the Orders screen, then select the Printed tab. Select the checkbox next to the orders you're ready to manifest. Click Manifest, then Manifest Selected. Click Dispatch to confirm. To manifest all orders, go to the Orders screen and select the Printed tab. Click Manifest, then select Manifest All. Click Dispatch to confirm. The manifest report will be downloaded automatically to your computer and can be found in the Downloads bar in your browser or in your Downloads folder. You can also download the report from the manifest screen. From the sidebar, select Manifest, then click Download Report next to the order. Visit our support centre for more helpful tips and tutorials.